Hey guys, my name is Dakshi Gupta and welcome back to my channel Code with Dakshi. So, in this video, we will talk about practical of pandas. So, in my last video, I told you about what is the theory of pandas. So, let's start. And this dataset is from Kaggle, as you can see. And this link is available in description, so you can open by that. So for pandas, you have to install first pip install pandas. Requirement already satisfied. Okay, after this step, import pandas as PD. Okay, so my next step is how can I read files. As you can see guys, there are all the files which is available in this dataset. There are CSV file, Excel files, right? So I want to read first my CSV file. So df means DataFrame. So pd dot read underscore. If I use tab here, I am getting my all files. Okay, like clipboard, CSV, Excel, feather, HTML, JSON, SQL, table, right guys? So pd.read underscore CSV and my file this df, I am taking here df1. Okay, so this is my file, this is my data. Okay, by this I want to check my all information about this data. So how can I do this? df1.info. So by using info, I am getting my information about this, right? As you can see that I have year 113, cause name, state, date, death, and age, adjusted death rate. I have these columns, right guys? So in this I have 6 columns and non-null count, d type is data type. Okay, as you can see in this, d type is int64, object, int64, float. What are these? int64 means 64-bit, right guys? Object means object is like a string. Okay guys, and float 64 means 49.4, 53.8, 63.7, 56.2. These are my floats. So these all are floats, and 64-bit. Object is like a object is like a string, right? So let me recall that in pandas we have two modules. First one is series and second one is data frame. Okay guys, so that's why I am using here df. Let me prove this for you. So if I check my type of df1, I am getting data frame, right? So pandas.code.frame.dataframe, right guys? This is my CSV file. if you want only D type, so df1 dot D types. By this you will get your year, your columns and your D types only. You will not get non-null count and this hashtag, right guys? So this is CSV, and now I want to check my Excel file. So pd.read underscore, let me check Excel is here or not. So as you can see, read.excel, pd.read underscore Excel, and my Excel file is here, df2. Okay guys, in this I have 2 columns and 10 rows. If I want to check my df2 type, it is also a data frame, right guys? If I want this, what is df2.head? So guys, if you have, in this I have only 10 rows. Okay, this is small data set, but what if you have your 30,000 rows, then what will you do? In this, counting is very easy, but in 30,000 rows, how can you count it, right guys? So by head you can easily get your top 5. If you want your top 10, top 20, top 50 rows, you can take it. Like I want my top 7, so I am getting my top 7 rows, right? But now you will ask, guys, Dakshi, if I want my last 5 rows. Okay, so by last you can use your tail, df2.tail. From df2.tail will help you by in taking your and 7, right guys? Not top 7, your and 7. And by tail, by head, you can get your top 7 from beginning. Okay guys, so this is about why we are using tail, head in this, right? Now I want to check my Excel information. So df2.info, here I have only 2 columns, so I am getting only 2 columns, object and int64, right guys? Object, as I told you before, object is a string and int64 is a 64-bit. Okay guys, so this is Excel, and now if I want df1.head, I am getting my top 5. Okay, and by using tail I am getting last 5, right guys? So this is all about that how can you read your file of CSV, Excel, right? And how can you check your null values and D type, right guys? So in my next video I will tell you about further steps, right? So this is the end of my video. I hope you like it. So please guys, like my video, subscribe my channel, and please follow me on Instagram. Link is in description. So I hope you all are good. So please take care guys. Thank you so much.